Blinger. Miss
Let me
Blinger.
hear what Kitty is saying. Yeah.
Blinger. Never headache. It's a breeding woman. Listen now. I spoke with Toya. Toya said she don't have you guys' number and she don't have you URT number. She sent me
But
the
we keep
receipt.
giving her the number.
Listen, she sent me the receipt just to clear her name.
We keep giving her the number. What do you mean?
When we that scam the people their money, she come here. Bitch.
No.
What
happened to Kitty?
She get
Me
dropped
no
down.
want blood clot here from her. Me want you from Toya. Girl go have you deliver your picnic and low.
No, wait, bossy, wait, hold on.
Mr. to you said she I said to you, RT said, listen, Ivany have 48 hours. I have 48 hours to pick up Ivany. And if Ivany go to court without a lawyer and no bond,
yeah, but we are quenching you.
We don't
quench you because we never want them the bad energy there, which is with a classified.
No,
as bad,
but RT, Georgia passed the law in February, just like Florida. Once you undocumented, they're gonna turn you over. It was no if, but, nor maybe. Georgia passed the law.
One thing I can say to you, Toya, you're not gonna sleep good because you get a dagger right now because you fucked up this whole thing because you're going to get blamed for everything because honestly me did I try with my best intention and you trick we and carry east and carry blood clad west.
We had the lawyer the same day. We had
the lawyer. Yep. And
remember, we asked the lawyer the same day. The lawyer writes here and said,
I can send you the proof where the lawyer sent me the something.
The lawyer said no need no money from us. He will go see her for free.
Okay, I told you all that.
We had the lawyer and Toya said she no fear lawyer.
Me had a immigration lawyer and me have the proof. Me send you the paperwork with the lawyer even
said. Send me nothing, girl. That's what I try to tell you. Me know. Me dep on the phone. Me hear everything. She said she have a liar. What she must Google. And me said this a liar. RT, you know.
I'm gonna go for free. Go see her for free.
The liar on the phone.
But remember, I said them use alright. So I want to say something because we'll be like an idiot. My spirit says, stop being an idiot, look man. Remember, the lawyer was there. The police say, the woman when she called on the phone, the white woman say, and there's another bail ban where is an attorney paid and that one is paid out. So yes, it's two. So clearly the woman did say one where attorney and she said and that was not denied.
Bondsman. She never say attorney, bondsman.
Ross.
It's not attorney, it's bondsman.
Let me refresh your memory.
Go ahead.
Yesterday, RT, when your company live, yesterday, I went, or day before yesterday, I went. One of them. You see, if we did send the lawyer what we have, go see Ivany because that lawyer said that this is serious and we must hurry up and do away because she have to see somebody right away. The lawyer they did tell we all of the things, all of this, what did that go happen? That same lawyer what we did
on your mark, get set, go free Ivany. That was the mission for everybody.
But the lawyer was going to see her right away. The lawyer was going to see her for free without even paying a dime. And that lawyer is a immigration lawyer. Not a criminal and immigration. So he would have get bail and do everything one drop.
And then again.
And you know how much that lawyer wanted? You know how much that lawyer wanted to do everything? $5,000.
Then again, Bling, we not keep no more secret next time, as we get blood clot. Alright, sorry, I'm my fault. Me not get no more information and because we are trying for blood clot look good when and us jeopardize the blood clot, sure. Cause sensitive people call we long blood clot time until we say the girl on our way to deport and all of them.
And the lawyer wake me and Blinger up yesterday morning. Ask Blinger. The lawyer wake up and say, what y'all decide to do? I could go see her right now. Okay.
No, repeat that again. No, we hear it. We hear it. The
lawyer
when we call you in the morning.
And the lawyer wake me up.
Remember the morning when we call you early. And tell us, say, We need to tell the lawyer something because the lawyer is telling us that this is a serious case and if him go see her, him can save her. And where me and you tell the woman say, when I say tell the lady say Toya have a lawyer already, we work with a lawyer already. She tell the
Yeah, and the lawyer decided to go for free. And the lawyer even said, the last thing the lawyer said to me and Blinger said, the only thing I can advise y'all to do, today is Friday, make sure y'all do what y'all doing, because if ICE have 48 hours to pick her up, ICE don't work on the weekend. But if y'all don't...
Bring on. Sorry. You know what said Toya said something yesterday, you know, and me I made it, you know, me I go lick her, you know, and me just calm down, you know. She, you know, when we are talking about the money just move in a second, you know. All of a sudden a text come in and all of a sudden him a chat to Ivan, the money moved from 350 to 49, you know, and the text was so quick, you know. It's like, to me, no, Toya, you make me a pray, yo. Because if you have some local people in the comment room where no good night, I hear them, then when the money raise. So when it reach there, so...
Yeah, exactly. Remember, we are being read the comments.
They don't even care about the money.
Because when
Toya just need to show proof for she pay the lawyer so the people them can just leg off.
Because when RT, remember me I talk to the lawyer on the phone and you say mute the woman voice annoying. You remember?
Yeah.
Okay, the lawyer, she keep calling me and Blinger, and me call Blinger, me say, Blinger, what me feel the woman says she can go to the jail right now. That's from Thursday night. The woman says she could have go to the place where talk to Ivany, because you know your lawyer can talk to you at any time. She wanted no money, but because I don't know Ivany's situation personally, I couldn't give her no information. So she said she could go speak to her without even charging her, just to know what she's doing, you know, our situation and how she can help. I said that to Blinger. I said, Blinger, the lawyer keep calling me, and what we need to do.
You know, me tell us, you know, somebody didn't know, say, it's like, me don't know. And me
Ivany have phone in her prison, you can talk to her on phone, she have access to cell phone.
No, the lawyer can talk to her anytime.
The lawyer can talk to her anytime. They can see her anytime.
That mean that Toya, lawyer, because Toya can talk to him right now.
Because
Toya chat to Ivany more than even the lawyer to blood that everything get a message.
But she ain't transfer yet.
Ivany.
She probably ain't transfer yet.
What you say?
I said Tuesday morning because I'm going to give them time to process on everything they have to do.
So why you have to wait till Tuesday?
Because on Monday they might transport her, then they transport her on weekend. So she have to wait till like Monday after they transport her and book her in the system.
You're low.
Oh, I will go and find out from Ivany what she really wants to do.
And what she need. And tell her the truth because we send you.
Yeah,
tell her, just tell her the truth because we send you and we're there to help her.
Listen, I'm not here to play no propaganda, no TikTok thing. This is somebody's life and I know how it goes. As a fellow Caribbean person, I am familiar with the immigration situation. So we're not playing anything. I'm doing this because I am a fellow Caribbean person and I'm a mother also. So I will go and try to see Ivany and find out what is what. And I will get back to you guys and tell you.
You have me or RT number, anything? Are you know how to message us here?
Yeah, I think I'm friends with you guys. I'm
gonna give you the number. You know why I have some trust for you? Because when you just came, I was like, what the fuck is this? You know, because everybody coming with different shit and I can't take it. So you just prove yourself a while ago to us. So write this number down, and when you get information and ready to speak to us, you're going to WhatsApp me on this number. You know how to do WhatsApp?
Yeah, of course.
All right, 876 851 6598. So you're gonna WhatsApp me, hi, Bling, this is the lady from so and so.
Godsend, just say Godsend.
So and so. And then now we can bring in the three-way, me, you, and RT. But when you go to see her, if they let you see her.
Yeah, if they let me see her.
tell her RT and Bling send you, and they need to know what is it that's going on and what she really need, because we want to help her. Just say that to her. If she says she don't want any help from us,
Yeah.
that's fine. Just come back and tell us.
But you know what, Miss Blinger? Ivany said she has an immigration lawyer. So if anybody close to her,
But that's a ICE. I think that's a Godson. I think that's an ICE representative. Is somebody she had to report to. I don't think it's like an immigration lawyer. Okay. Is to the lawyer? If Toya paid that lawyer that $4,900, that money went down the drain. We can't even use that lawyer no more because that is a regular.
No. If it's a case, let me tell you, TikTok lawyer, this is very serious. And if it's very serious, if it's a case where she need the money, RT and I can raise that.
No, we know we can raise it, but I'm saying that money that she paid, if she paid the lawyer and that money that she paid, that money went down the drain because that lawyer that lawyer have no use for her no more.
TikTok lawyer, I believe that Ivany had an immigration lawyer.
Hi, good
Because
afternoon. Guys, TikTok lawyer, give me a chance.
I believe that she have an immigration lawyer.
Hi,
Because when you're
guys.
seeking asylum, you need an immigration lawyer. So your immigration lawyer is the one who is going to help you through the process.
Miss
Let me hear
Blinger.
what
Miss
let me
Blinger.
hear what Kitty is saying. Yeah.
Blinger. Never headache. It's a breeding woman. Listen now. I spoke with Toya. Toya said she don't have you guys' number, and she don't have your RT number. She sent me the
we keep
receipt.
giving her the number.
Listen, she sent me the receipt just to clear her name.
We keep giving her the number. What do you mean?
When we that scam the people their money, she come here. Bitch.
No. What happened to Kitty?
She get
Me
dropped.
no want
Me no
blood
know.
clot here from her. Me want hear from Toya. Girl go have your deliver your pitney and low.
No, wait, hold on. I'm a little friend.
No,
She here.
I'm a little friend. RT, let me hear what she's saying.
In Tanya.
RT take her down.
Tanya blood clot. In
What
Tanya.
about serious things God sent?
Toya me want. No Tanya.
If Ivany has an immigration lawyer, somebody needs to get in contact with him. And most likely she does, because she was stating on her life many days that she has an immigration lawyer. So if someone gets in touch with her,
We're asking for the receipt where Toya paid the money. We want to see where the
Tell her
money
to send
is.
it. Tell Kitty to send it to your Instagram. Tell her
If
to send it to
Toya
your
want
Instagram.
anything to have to use our lawyer, TikTok lawyer, no come send a blood clot breeding woman we can't use as he come head at him.
No, but what I'm saying is we have to move past that now. I'm moving to seeing what we can do. And people, there's a difference between an asylum seeker and a person who has been granted asylum. Ivany is an asylum seeker. She hasn't been granted asylum, so she can still be deported.
exactly. Please explain that to them.
She's an asylum seeker. She is seeking asylum. She hasn't gone before the judge and plead her case. She hasn't been granted asylum. So everybody who's saying, oh, she have an American baby, she have this. Yes, that is all good and done, but she is still in her process. So she can still be deported. You're mute, Blinger. Blinger.
All in the phone.
Oh, we're not hearing you. We wasn't hearing you.
Blinger, we can't hear you.
The person who is calling this phone, fucking stop call the phone, please. Me so upset because I just know this to go up. Me so tired of this. Me can't take this. Me just tired of this.
Because remember in the Blinger, the lawyer, if you can read out everything exact what the lawyer even told us the angle he can come from to help her.
How
but
Toya sent RT the message last night? Why Toya not send the receipt to him that way?
the same way.
Yeah, what do you mean she don't have a number? I don't understand.
But
How
she
could
sent
you
RT
send-
messages last night.